You getting into the mode?
Get in the mode.
We should start it up first, maybe, huh?
Yeah, you want to start up?
So I think you can hear the squeak.
Yeah, that's in the belt. You hear it?
I don't know if we can pick it up.
Let me air it up so we can see what's going on.
Air dryer?
Yeah.
I didn't think I caught it, but we just got a massive air dump that was not supposed to happen. So the air dryer is acting up.
The bird valve on is acting up. You heard it was long.
So what do we have here? The complaint was that there was a noise. I mean, our driver told us
Squeaky noise.
you know, it was a squeaky noise. Initially we thought it was squirrels, but
Alvin and the Chipmunks or something?
Yeah.
We already showed you guys what the noise it's making, and it comes down to the belts being worn out and also the fan clutch. Oh, let me get in there. And that's gonna save us a radiator. If we keep driving like this, that's gonna go
It will
off.
blow up, yeah. I mean, it would go out, damage the radiator, and
Tow bill
you would
for
have to
sure.
tow. So you don't have to remove the radiator to do it. As far as our
This one probably like
4 hours.
4 hours max. Because right now what's worn out is the actual fan clutch. What we're gonna do is put new bearings on the hub itself as well, and belts, tensioners, all that. That's
Yeah,
gonna get addressed.
since
we already got all
there.
the parts.
Okay. And so yeah, that's definitely something that once you're there, what else? Let's go back really quick. What do we recommend? We're doing the fan hub,
We're doing the fan clutch, and the fan hub bearings. Both of the belts, fan and the alternator belt, and we're going to be replacing 3 tensioners and the pulleys.
and that's gonna address your issues for a long time.
What's the mileage?
It's probably around 500,000.
Already hit 519.
500, yeah, so 500,000. We just swap
Just swap everything from here.
yeah.
Again, like how we had that boost leak earlier.
Yeah.
On which one was it? 14. It wasn't placed on properly.
Yeah. Why do you think?
You want to take a look? Why?
Yeah, but that's a second.
There's this groove right here,
Uh-huh.
and if the guys aren't paying attention when they're installing it,
Yeah.
it has a notch, and guys are just leaving it.
Yeah. So that's what happened. We had a leak on one of the other trucks that's there right now.
Yeah.
So
it's common sense to me and you, right?
yeah.
It's supposed to be lined up, and some guys will leave it like this,
Wow.
and you're gonna have a massive boost leak right
Yeah.
there.
So yeah, if you have a boost leak, check that. Well, we can leave the whole whatever we have right now. We're just
Keep those in stock.
keep it in stock for another one, but
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Because we didn't have it. So.